Welcome back once again. So, have you ever been wondering how you can stabilize a video using CapCut? Then you're in the right place. Please watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's open our CapCut. So this is my CapCut. So I'll open it. So after opening my CapCut, I'll come to new project over here. Okay, so when I come to new project, I'll select a video that I want to stabilize. Okay, so let me select this video here. Okay, so after selecting that video, I'll just come and tap on the add option here. Okay, so this is the video I want to stabilize. All I want to do is to come and tap on the video in the timeline. So those who don't know the timeline, this one down here, okay, where you're seeing me tapping, this is the timeline. Okay, so I'll tap in the timeline of the video. So when I tap in the timeline of the video, these options down, they change. So I'll scroll down, I'll scroll till I see stabilize. As you can see, this is stabilize. So I'll tap on stabilize and I pull this to the most stable part, the last one. So after that, I'll tick from down here. Okay, so as you can see, it has finished stabilizing. Okay, so our video has been stabilized, and to show you that it has been stabilized, this icon here, the stabilize icon here, it's already in the video timeline. Okay, so this video has been stabilized. When you're done, all you have to do is simple, just come to this option here and save your video, and you find it in your gallery. Okay, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.